Welcome to Faith in the Budgies. We're going to talk about some questions and answers, Q&A. So, first of all, why is my budgie losing so many feathers? Q. Now what do we answer? A. Budgies are molting. They do it twice a year. Question. Why is my budgie not eating or drinking? I just got my budgie. Answer. A. Well, your budgie is just got home. It is very nervous, so you probably want to take good care because they are very, very scared little creatures. Meow, oh little Pove. Question. Why is my budgie not and why I show my budgie bright colors? Why is my budgie acting really scared? Well, your budgie friend is I have to have a minute, just sorry. Little pretty Pove. Oh, what was that question? Oh yeah, budgies, they don't like bright colors because budgies have very keen eyesight. They could see 3 times better than we can. So when they see really bright colors, they get kind of scared. That's weird. That's too bright for me. So, yeah. Q. Question. Why is my budgie blue? I've seen green budgies in the wild. And why and I've seen videos of budgies only green in the wild. Why is my budgie blue or different colors? Well, your budgie has to have something called a blue gene. The parent and the father and the mother and father have to both have blue genes to have blue budgies. So the green budgies have to be very protective of their little blue one because then green budgies don't like blue budgies in their flock. So those are a few questions. Yeah. So little Eeps and Pove. Look at little Pove. So, and are you asking why Puff's so small? He's a runt. His family was a runt, and it was, you know how puppies, they have to have a big one and a little one? Like Puff. Puff was the little runt of the family. Yeah, isn't that cute? Oh, Abigail, you're looking so English budgie right now. Well, those were a few Q&A. I hope those helped you.